Hey guys, this is Ella, and for all of you that are watching, I am very sorry for not making a video in a long time. It's just been really busy and all that stuff. But today I'm gonna make my new recipe from my slime business, mermaid slime. And to help me with that, I have a special guest. Give a drum roll please for Avery Botchin.
Almost fell.
Okay, and so let's get started. So here's the things that you will need first. You will need blue clear glitter glue, and to save money, you can just get clear glue and dye it blue and just pretty much put glitter inside of it. I have a gallon, which is kind of down to here. I don't have a lot left.
It looks like water and it jiggles like water.
Pretty much. What you will need also is the same thing except green.
Ooh.
Next, you will need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Here's a big bag of baking soda, which is brand new, fresh out of the bag. And
Just was open.
So 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, and finally 1 tablespoon of water, which is over there, real quick.
Her sink.
And just so you know, there is not a lot of blue glitter glue, so I'm just gonna make more. Avery, could you get a spoon real quick?
Yeah, where are your spoons? Right there. Oh, that's your plates.
No, there's spoons right there.
Oh, yeah, there are. Oh, yeah, there's one spoon left. You were lucky enough.
Okay, so
The rest were forks.
just pour.
Whoa, that's really cool.
It's okay.
Here, brother and sister are sleeping.
And just so you know, the box I have, it's full of slime. So here it is.
Look at the box.
You can drop the food colors in.
Okay, how many?
Just 1.
Okay. I don't want to put 1, I want to put 2.
Okay, 2.
I put 2.
You can stir it.
Okay, I just like to stir.
And
It's really dark.
that's just how it looks. It won't look that way.
It smells so good.
And now
And now, oh my gosh.
you can add the glitter.
Gosh, that's a lot of glitter. I had yellow glitter and I used it all for Musically. Go follow me. Avery Botchin.
So yeah, there's her thing for Musically. Sadly, I don't have Musically. I only have YouTube. Okay, that
It's
looks like
worth it.
that looks like enough. And so I will add some of this to here.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I'll just put it right there.
Oh my gosh, it feels left out now. You hurt its feelings.
Okay, now I'm gonna add some green.
Oh, one more screen. That was a weird noise. Green. It looks like whenever you use the bathroom in a toilet.
Just stop, just stop, please. None of you heard what Avery just said. Okay, now all you gotta do is mix
Now there's
it.
a big stain on the towel. Great job.
Nobody cares about Della.
Look at the towel. That stain.
Okay,
Stain.
now
Oh, now it looks pretty.
you can just keep on stirring.
I feel like I'm your slave. By the way, hello everyone. I'm Maggie. Hello all the people I know and all the people I hate.
Hi. And also, here is
Tablespoon. 1/2 tablespoon.
1/2 tablespoon baking soda.
Oh gosh, that is heavy. I thought you were over exaggerating.
Just so you know, yeah, I told you this is fresh out of the box.
That was loud. It sounded like a boulder.
It's loud. There we go. Looks really cool looking.
I want to say what it looks like, but I'm not going to. It's not age appropriate for everyone. I'm just kidding. It looks like nothing. It looks like sprinkles.
Oh, and I almost forgot. You need contact solution. Dirt.
Ella, how could you ever forget?
I don't know.
The main ingredient.
The main ingredient, people. Never forget.
No, the main ingredient is glue.
But this is the stuff that helps it come together.
There's chunky chunks.
And here's the part where you do 1 tablespoon of water.
There's still some chunky chunks.
Don't worry about it.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. I don't think that was a tablespoon.
Yeah, it is. 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. Well, let's just put a spoon on the table and call that a tablespoon. It's a lot of water. Don't know what you're talking about with like barely any water.
Let's just add a little bit more baking soda.
Just a little, that's a lot. Make sure there's no chunks.
Oh, and here's a special ingredient. This is chunky glitter.
That sounded weird.
Well, it's glitter pretty much.
Chunky glitter.
Kind of like sequins. Pretty much.
It is sequins.
Kind of.
Whoa. Once you started to mix, glitter just went a lot, like around everything. Glitter will take over the world.
A little bit more glitter. Just so you know, the more shiny it is, the more pretty.
The more mermaid you have.
Pretty much. And pretty much all you do is just keep.
If it's not thick enough for you, then just keep mixing. Until you see do what Ella does and just gives up. And just adds so many ingredients that it just dies. I'm just kidding, go back from her slimes.
Here, you keep on mixing all the other stuff.
You'll do the things.
There. It's kind of coming together a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, let me try real quick.
Okay.
Here, Avery.
Yeah.
How about you do the ingredient pouring?
Okay, I don't know what to add. Tell me what to add.
Baking soda.
Okay.
Don't worry. Just sprinkle some. There we go. Sorry, some of it's blocking your view. Oh, contacts.
Team, everybody.
Okay.
I'll start with you can speak to them and apologize for not posting.
Yeah, the slime is getting really thick a little.
It's getting thick. Don't put it on the cloth.
Yeah, warning. Do not put this slime on any furniture.
Even if it's your grandma, don't do it. Don't put it on a towel because then all the stick in your pants will get mad at you and kill you. I'm just kidding. They will get mad at you and grab you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So pretty much just add more contact solution when
To
it's not
everything.
coming together. And if it's not looking shiny, just keep on adding glitter.
It's not looking shiny, add glitter because you want things to sparkle.
Okay, doke. It's coming together, kind of.
I shall touch it.
Hold on.
And if I do touch it, my kiwi has protected me.
And just so you know, I've done this recipe before, and here's what it looks like.
You should give them a full grand tour of it. Would you like me to do that?
Yeah, you can mix this.
Okay, you give them.
Here's what the other one looks like. Of course, it won't look exactly the same as that one, but it's really cool. It's dark and sparkly.
If you want it to be dark, add so much stuff.
In fact, if you want it to be darker, probably add more food coloring.
Yeah.
So there's a little tip. If you want it to be light or you want it to be dark, your choice. So, here, I got
You
it.
mix it up, my arms.
Ooh, you know,
What's this for?
that was just in case we needed more green.
Oh. Yeah, I was thinking like
And like I just said, we added more food coloring.
yeah,
So in a minute, it's gonna look kind of darker.
than it was. That's loud coming. Anything loud. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Or are we gonna put it in a bag?
We will.
Okay.
Hey, you know what? I think
What?
it's done. Okay,
Okay.
here, I'm just gonna shut the real quick.
Okay.
So this is a finished product, people. Of course, it looks a little bit lighter than the other one I just showed you, but it's really good.
It's really
I wish you were right here,
right,
right-
here. Just right here.
right here to
Join
feel
us.
it. It's really cool. So, can you please like and subscribe, and please
Hit the bell notification.
and hit the bell for notifications for my new slime videos, and just in case if there's any new visitors like Avery. And so thanks for watching, and follow her YouTube channel.
Yep.
What's your YouTube channel's name?
Just search up Avery Machin or LPS Kawaii Productions. There's many embarrassing things. That's why I changed my channel and I don't know its name.
So just search Avery, Averi, and Botchin,
Jen.
Botjen.
And
You
don't
can write that down if you don't remember it, because it's a little
forget
bit
to
hard.
check out Musical.ly too.
Yeah, check her musicallys too. So, thanks for watching, and again, like and subscribe. And I love you all.
Love being on your show. Peace out.
Bye.